Welcome to Kentucky, the Bluegrass State where verdant pastures and rolling hills greet you. This state is renowned for its picturesque landscapes that seem to stretch endlessly, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. But Kentucky's natural wonders extend far beyond its namesake grasslands. The state is a treasure trove of diverse ecosystems, each more captivating than the last. This is a land sculpted by time, where ancient limestone formations have given rise to vast cave systems. These underground marvels are a testament to the geological history that has shaped this region over millions of years. From the Appalachian Mountains in the east to the meandering waterways, Kentucky offers diverse landscapes. The mountains stand tall, offering breathtaking views and challenging trails for the adventurous spirit. Each habitat, from woodlands to rivers and lakes, teems with life. The forests are home to a variety of wildlife, while the rivers and lakes provide a haven for aquatic species. Join us as we uncover the treasures of Kentucky's natural world. Whether you're an avid hiker, a wildlife enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of nature, Kentucky has something to offer. So pack your bags and get ready to explore the wonders of the Bluegrass State. And in the heart of Kentucky, the Bluegrass region's rolling hills are iconic. The limestone bedrock and nutrient-rich soil give the bluegrass its vibrant hue. This fertile ground has nurtured horse breeding, making Kentucky renowned for equestrian excellence. Thoroughbreds grazing peacefully against these gentle hills highlight the land's harmony. Hidden amongst the hills are limestone springs, feeding the lifeblood of this landscape. It's a tranquil place where time moves at nature's pace. Eastward, the Bluegrass region gives way to the rugged Appalachian Mountains. Peaks cloaked in dense forests and steep ridges create dramatic contrasts. The air is cooler and crisper, filled with the scent of pine and damp earth. Forests cling to slopes, a tapestry of hues providing a haven for wildlife. Black bears roam, deer pick their way through undergrowth, and birds of prey soar above. Beneath Kentucky lies a world of wonder and mystery. Kentucky's cave systems, some of the most extensive on Earth, are nature's artistry. Mammoth Cave, a vast network of passages, stands as a testament to these subterranean wonders. In the depths, life persists in unexpected forms like blind cavefish and cave crickets. The silence of the caves is profound, broken only by the echoing drip of water. Water courses through Kentucky, shaping its character. From the Ohio River to the Cumberland and Tennessee rivers, waterways are a constant presence. These rivers have played a pivotal role in the state's history, providing transportation and sustenance. Forests crowd the shores, fish dart through currents, and turtles bask on logs. For adventurers, Kentucky's rivers offer endless exploration opportunities. As the sun sets, rivers take on a magical quality, with herons and fireflies creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Kentucky's forests and woodlands stretch across its diverse terrain. From Appalachian slopes to bottomland forests, it's a symphony of life and color. Oak, maple, and hickory trees dominate, transforming into a fiery spectacle in autumn. The air is alive with the sounds of life woodpeckers, squirrels, and songbirds. As we move westward, forests transition into a mix of hardwoods and pines. These woodlands are complex ecosystems, providing habitat for a vast array of wildlife. Kentucky's wild heart beats strong with diverse life. The state is a sanctuary for a myriad of species, each contributing to the rich tapestry of its natural environment. From the dense forests to the flowing rivers, every corner of Kentucky is alive with the sounds and sights of nature. From the towering peaks of the Appalachian Mountains to the mysterious depths of its caves and the winding paths of its rivers, Kentucky's ecosystems are a haven for both flora and fauna. These diverse habitats support a wide range of plant and animal life, creating a vibrant and dynamic natural world. In the dense forests, white-tailed deer move with quiet grace, their presence a testament to the health of the ecosystem. Wild turkeys strut confidently through the undergrowth, their feathers shimmering in the dappled sunlight. These creatures are just a glimpse into the rich biodiversity that thrives here. Above, the skies are patrolled by majestic hawks and eagles, their keen eyes scanning the landscape below. Songbirds fill the air with their melodies, creating a symphony of natural sounds that is both soothing and invigorating. Each bird plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the intricate ecosystem. As spring arrives, the landscape transforms with the return of migratory birds. These travelers signal the change of seasons, bringing with them the promise of warmer days and new beginnings. Their arrival is a celebrated event, marking the renewal of life and the continuation of natural cycles. Hidden beneath logs and rocks, a miniature world unfolds. Salamanders and beetles scurry about, each playing their part in the ecosystem. These small creatures are vital to the health of the forest floor, breaking down organic matter and contributing to the nutrient cycle. Kentucky's wildlife is truly special, encompassing everything from large mammals to the tiniest insects. Each species, no matter how big or small, has a role to play in this complex web of life. The diversity of animals found here is a testament to the state's rich natural heritage. This incredible diversity makes Kentucky's natural world truly remarkable. It is a place where nature thrives in all its forms, offering endless opportunities for discovery and appreciation. Whether you're exploring the forests, rivers, or mountains, Kentucky's natural beauty is sure to leave a lasting impression. Kentucky's landscape is a canvas for the seasons. Each season brings its own unique beauty and character, painting the state in different hues and moods. From the vibrant greens of spring to the serene whites of winter, Kentucky's climate is a testament to nature's artistry. Spring brings vibrant greens and wildflowers, transforming bare branches into a canopy of green. The air is filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers, and the landscape comes alive with the songs of birds returning from their winter migration. It's a time of renewal and growth as the earth awakens from its winter slumber. Summer days grow longer and warmer, with thunderstorms replenishing the land. The sun shines brightly, casting a golden glow over the rolling hills and lush forests. It's a season of abundance, with fields of crops reaching their peak and rivers flowing with the melted snow from the mountains. The occasional thunderstorm brings much-needed rain, refreshing the earth and keeping the landscape vibrant. Autumn is a sight to behold, with leaves transforming into a kaleidoscope of colors. The crisp air carries the scent of fallen leaves and the promise of cooler days ahead. It's a time of harvest, as farmers gather the fruits of their labor and prepare for the coming winter. The landscape is painted in shades of red, orange, and yellow, creating a breathtaking tapestry of color. Winter brings peace and tranquility, with snowfall creating a wonderland of white. The world seems to slow down as the snow blankets the ground and muffles the sounds of everyday life. It's a time for reflection and rest, as nature takes a break from the hustle and bustle of the other seasons. The cold air is crisp and invigorating, and the landscape is transformed into a serene and silent wonderland. Each season paints its own masterpiece, adding to Kentucky's charm. The changing seasons bring a sense of rhythm and continuity, reminding us of the passage of time and the cycles of nature. From the first buds of spring to the last snowflakes of winter, Kentucky's climate is a celebration of the natural world. The full cycle of nature's rhythms is experienced here. Each season has its own unique character and beauty, contributing to the rich tapestry of Kentucky's landscape. The ever-changing climate keeps the scenery fresh and exciting, offering new experiences and sights with each passing month. Kentucky's climate is a four-season symphony. The harmonious interplay of the seasons creates a dynamic and ever-changing environment where each season builds upon the last to create a continuous cycle of beauty and wonder. It's a place where nature's rhythms are in perfect harmony, offering a unique and captivating experience for all who visit. Kentucky offers a vast playground for nature lovers. State parks, hiking trails and waterways provide endless outdoor adventure. Explore the Red River Gorge with its sandstone cliffs and natural arches. Paddle down Elkhorn Creek, reflecting the surrounding trees. Cast a line into lakes or rivers and try your luck at fishing. Find a peaceful spot to soak in the beauty of your surroundings. Kentucky's landscape tells a geological story. Visit Big Bone Lick State Park, where prehistoric creatures' bones have been unearthed. Explore karst formations with sinkholes, caves, and underground streams. Hike to a ridge and gaze over the landscape, imagining the forces that shaped it. Kentucky's geological wonders are a testament to the relentless forces of nature. Kentucky, a natural tapestry. Our journey through Kentucky's natural wonders leaves us in awe. From bluegrass pastures to Appalachian peaks, caves to rivers, Kentucky's heritage is a treasure. Whether seeking adventure, tranquility, or understanding, Kentucky offers something for everyone. Its forests, waterways, caves, and wildlife beckon us to explore and connect with nature. Experience Kentucky, where nature's artistry is on full display.